Hi guys, so today we're going to be working on my truck and I need to replace this license plate LEDs. So instead of having small LEDs replacement, I've decided to go with these LEDs, the whole assembly, and hopefully they will last me more than a year. Alright, so to remove your old ones, it's very easy. You just go under your vehicle and you just push on these tabs right here. They're pretty hard to press on, but if you barely press on them, they will pop out. Now in the back, you just turn your LED socket and remove your assembly. Now if you are not going to replace the whole assembly, all you have to do is just go under your vehicle, twist your socket, and just pull out LED. But to put this whole new assembly, you go ahead and remove your old LED. Now this piece right here on the new one, that replaces your LED. So we're gonna push that in. And we're gonna turn the LED socket. Alright, so now that we turn our LED socket, now let's go ahead and push the whole assembly in and make sure you hear click. Alright, we did driver's side, so now let's move on to the passenger side. Exact same step, push on this tab, push it forward, twist off your LED socket, remove your old LED, and let's put new assembly. Let's push this tab in there. And let's turn this LED socket on. And all we have to do is just push this back on there and make sure you hear a click. If you don't hear a click, go under your vehicle, push on it, and make sure it won't pop up. Now once that's good, go ahead, open your door or turn on your vehicle, and let's see if they're on. Alright, so they're both on. They actually look pretty bright. I will show you what they look like at night. Alright, you guys have a good day, and I'll see you on the next one. Alright, so they look really bright at night.